Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the environment. Update Chrome or the Google Drive app and sign into your account. Once done, make sure sync is enabled so local copies will persist. Connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network because the initial download requires steady bandwidth. Open Google Drive in Chrome, go to Settings, and toggle Offline on. This starts local caching of docs, sheets, and slides. It also creates an offline folder for your browser profile, so you can access files without network access. Next, you pick which files should be available offline. In Chrome, right-click a document or use the three-dot menu to select Available Offline. This forces the file to download into the cache. On Android or iOS, open a document, tap the menu, and toggle Available Offline. Make sure you see the offline icon. Prioritize crucial documents first, because large files and images take time and storage. Once a file is cached, edits you make offline will queue and sync automatically when connectivity returns. Finally, verify the setup by turning off Wi-Fi or putting your phone in airplane mode and opening a cached document. You should be able to read and edit. Once you reconnect, Google will sync queued changes automatically. Make sure syncing indicators finish before deleting anything. If something fails, check free storage, ensure you're signed into the same account, and confirm app permissions for local storage. If needed, clear the browser or app cache, re-enable offline, and re-download any problematic files to force a fresh local copy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.